Hi, my name is Anya, and this video is sponsored. It's sponsored by Hermes, and they've sent me some large sugar cones. So for today's video, I'll show you some of the recipes I made with these large sugar cones. I'd also love to see what recipes you can come up with, so please leave in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos.
Large sugar cones are so handy to have in the house, not only for ice creams, but for a multitude of different recipes. Each box contains 10 large sugar cones, so in today's video I'll show you 2 recipes that I'll make with these large sugar cones. The first recipe is a s'more cone. A s'more is normally a biscuit with chocolate and marshmallows. So we will say that the biscuit is the cone, so all we need to add is the chocolate and marshmallows. For the large sugar cone, alternating between the chocolate chips and the mini marshmallows. You can also add a variety of different things, such as peanut butter. Once the cone has been filled, wrap the tin foil around the cone and place it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the tin foil off and enjoy a gooey, chocolatey s'more cone. The next recipe I want to show you is how to make ice cream cones with a caramel center. To start, add 2 tablespoons of the chocolate ice cream dip into the cone and swirl it all around inside the cone. Once all the cones have been coated in chocolate, place it into the freezer for a few minutes to set up. Add some ice cream. You can add any flavor. I went with the Hermes vanilla ice cream scoop mix. Once all the cones have been filled with the ice cream, add in wooden skewers. I added 2 to each cone. This will create a hole in the middle of the ice cream. This is where you'll pipe the caramel sauce into. Place the cones into the freezer to set up. Once the cones have set up, remove the wooden skewers. Pipe the caramel sauce into the hole. Continue to do this for the rest of the cones. These are so yummy. I'm so surprised how easy it was to make them. I'll cut a cone open so that you can see how the inside of the cone looks like. The inside of the cone is coated in chocolate and the point of the cone is stuffed with chocolate. Then the cone is filled with ice cream and the center holds the caramel. If you want the product that was shown in this video, just go to the Hermes website, which is www.cones.co.za.